guys, it's Miss Mika from South Chicago 1. And today for music, we are going to do alphabet movement. Oh yeah. So I need all my friends. Yes, all my friends to stand up. Great job standing. So that we're going to just, we're just going to warm up a little bit. So I need all my friends to repeat after me, okay? A, arms up. B, bounce. C, clap. D, dig. E, eat. F, fly. G, gallop. H, hop. We not done yet. Come on, guys. Come on. I, ice skate. J, jog. K, kick. L, laugh. M, march. N, nap. O, open. We still not done, friends. Come on. P, pull. Q, R, run. S, stop. T, touch toes. U, up. V, vibrate. W, wiggle. Yeah. X. Y, yarn. Z, zip. Thank you guys for joining. Hope you enjoy.